Imagine a world where the sun rises on a silent horizon because the digital heartbeat of the planet has suddenly skipped. You've seen the panic in the headlines and you've heard the warnings about a global war, but nobody is telling you the actual logic of how the five most powerful nations have already wired the world for a total disconnect. Most people think a world war starts with a massive explosion, but in 2026, the real battle begins with the flickering of a screen and the loss of a signal. Right now, there are 5 strategic triggers already pulled, and if you stay with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to review exactly how these superpowers have picked their sides, and why the device in your hand could become a useless brick, not because of a magic switch, but because of a massive logic trap. This is not just a story about soldiers on a distant field. It's a breakdown of why your money, your navigation, and your very survival are currently sitting on a razor edge. Think about the United States first. Their power is not just in their ships, it's in the fact that they own the global positioning system that every single one of us relies on. While there is no secret button to brick every chip in the world, there is a very real protocol for regional signal denial. If the US decides to protect its interests, they can jam or spoof GPS signals across entire continents, rendering precision weapons and commercial navigation completely blind. Imagine every cargo ship in the ocean losing its path, and every modern drone falling from the sky because the invisible map they followed was suddenly deleted. The logic here is simple. If you cannot find your way, you cannot fight, and you certainly cannot trade. But as the West focuses on the digital sky, there is a massive land giant to the east that has already prepared for the day the global internet dies. Russia has just activated its sovereign internet decree as of March 1, 2026, creating a legal and technical fortress around its network. While the rest of the world panics over a lack of data, Russia is the only superpower that can keep its internal systems running in total isolation. The mystery is no longer who has the fastest tech, but who can survive when the rest of the world is cut off. This leads us to the most dangerous player in the manufacturing game. China has become the world's lungs, and if they stop breathing, every other nation suffocates. With China accounting for nearly 30% of global manufacturing, the logic of 2026 is that they don't need to invade your country, they just need to stop the supply of the invisible parts that keep your life moving. Imagine trying to repair a hospital generator or a water pump, only to find that the specialized microchips required are sitting in a locked port in Shanghai. The suspense builds when you realize that even the strongest military in the world cannot move if they cannot find a spare part for their engines. But wait, because there's a fourth power that has quietly positioned itself as the gatekeeper of the world's energy. India is the only nation with the strategic geography to literally choke the global oil supply. With over 20% of the world's petroleum passing through the Strait of Hormuz and toward the Indian Ocean, India's massive new naval bases like INS Varsha are designed to do one thing: control the flow. If India decides that its strategic autonomy is at risk, it can stop the energy flowing to China and the money flowing to the West in a single afternoon. And finally, we have the hidden powerhouse of South Korea. While the other giants talk about land and sea, South Korea has become the factory of the future for artificial intelligence and military hardware. They are the ones who produce the memory chips and the brains for every smart device and every advanced missile on Earth. If South Korea is drawn into a conflict, the entire global progress bar resets to zero, because nobody else has the capacity to build the hardware that runs our modern existence. Now, let us reveal the real solution to this global puzzle. How do these 5 giants actually interact when the pressure reaches a breaking point? The truth is that a total war in 2026 is not a story of conquest, it's a math problem of dependency. The United States provides the navigation, Russia provides the resilience, China provides the supply, India provides the path, and South Korea provides the intelligence. If one falls, the entire equation breaks. The suspense you feel when checking the news is the sound of these 5 gears finally beginning to grind against each other. The solution to preventing a global collapse is the terrifying realization that these powers are so deeply connected that destroying one means destroying yourself. The real danger is not a sudden explosion, but a slow erosion of the systems we take for granted. We've spent the last 10 minutes breaking down the global chessboard, but the most important piece is not a general or a president, it's you. Your ability to see through the propaganda and understand the logic of these alliances is the only thing that will keep you grounded when the world goes loud. If this breakdown has finally made the current crisis in the Middle East and the shipping halt in the Strait of Hormuz make sense, then you are exactly the kind of thinker we want in our community. We don't just follow the news, we render the logic so you can see the moves before they're made. If you found value in this deep dive, then hit that like button right now to tell the algorithm that the world needs more logic and less noise. And if you want to be here when we reveal the next hidden trigger, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications because the clock is ticking faster than anyone wants to admit. Thank you for your time and for being part of this journey into the mind of the world. Stay sharp, stay informed, and always remember that in a world of chaos, logic is your only weapon. I'll see you in the next one where we dive even deeper into the secrets that run our planet.